Hello students, today's our topic is globe, latitude and longitude. In today's topic, we will discuss further from the last class. In the last class, we discussed that how Earth formed, what are the lines. We will discuss more about. Today we will discuss more about the model that called globe, and that we can easily found on in the schools or on the stationery shop. So what is globe and why this made by the geographers? Globe, an accurate representation of the Earth's shape. Earth's shape is made by a small spherical model. As you know that Earth's shape is spherical, not round. Earth's shape is spherical. So the small spherical model that we found in particular place, that is globe. As you can see on the screen, it stands vertically by 23 1.5 degree on its axis. Now, Earth is turned 23 vertically, not straight. It's vertically, not straight. Vertically turned one side. That is the Earth axis. Axis is an imaginary line on which it rotates. And now the axis, there we can see in the globe that Earth model is stand by something that is imaginary, not actual, not in actual. This is only imaginary line that Earth is stand vertically 23 degree. That is only imaginary, not in actual. वो actual में है ही नहीं, वो सिर्फ imagine करने की है कि ये 23 degree 23 1.5 vertically है. That is only imaginary. Imagine कर सकते हैं. Next, the northern end or northern point is called North Pole. The north side of the that axis is called North Pole, and the southern end or southern point is called South Pole. The Earth rotates on its axis from the west to east. Now Earth rotates from the west to east. That is the west side, that is east. Now west to east, like that. It rotates on its axis from this side, or we can say this side, from this to and this one. So Earth rotates on its axis from the west to east. The geographers made imaginary line on the surface of globes. Now when you see the globe, you can find easily that many lines are made there. Many lines are made on the surface of that, crossing lines from up to down and from east to west, from this side to right to left, and so these are only made on the globe only. On the Earth, these are not actual. These are only imaginary line and made on the globe surface only for accurating or for better understanding. The horizontal lines. Now these lines, above these lines, the horizontal means right to left, right to RD line, horizontal. Horizontal lines east to west are called latitudes. So these lines are called latitudes, and the vertical lines from up to down or down to up, from north to south, are called latitudes. Now, why these lines are made up here? These lines help us to locate places on maps accurately, and these lines are made up here because we can find any location on the globe easily or on the map easily. So that's why these lines are made up here. This is your homework. You have to note it down, all the homeworks, all or this one in your notebook. On this pattern or on this homework, your test will be soon will take. So be ready for that. You have to remember all these points